One of the most prominent factors that has contributed to our current fucked up state of society is waste. I greatly dislike waste in any form, and nothing chaps my hide more than political campaign crap. Such a fucking waste on so many levels. You want me to choose between the lesser of two evils? Pass. I transmute my disdain for politics into colorful, whimsical, creative projects by repurposing their stupid-ass ads. They use some high-quality cardstock for these suckers, as do other pieces of junk that comes with stuff like brochures, pamphlets, instructions. Any sturdy paper can be covered up, cut, and reused for crafting purposes. So I cut one up and glued white, not as thick cardstock pieces to give my little project some durability. I have a curious amount of rubber stamps, and if I don't figure out some way to make money off them, it's like I'm wasting perfectly adorable art. So I'm using 3 different grass stamps with 2 different green ink pads that I've had forever. I also stamped, embossed, colored in, and cut out all these other cute pieces. This one time I saw a video of someone who took clear tape, stuck it on a picture, then ripped the tape off, like pictures of fruit from a grocery store ad. In case you don't have a gazillion stamps like I do, or you're not that great at doodling, or you're not trying to spend your hard-earned money on expensive-ass stickers, but you still want to journal, scrapbook, and do paper graphs because it brings you sanity and calmness to your life, then there's always a way to acquire the materials you need. For your own mental health, get that creativity cooking. I use mainly glitter and metallic markers to color in stamped pieces because they add so much shimmer, shine, and sparkle, and I just love how it looks. The words are a little hard to read. It says, "You're my cup of tea," and I can use this as a birthday card, any kind of greeting card, a postcard. I can write a note to myself and slide it into a pocket of my journal. Whatever I want to do with it, I definitely feel so much better creating something, not thinking about the madness and stress of politics that make no goddamn sense and leaves people miserable no matter which candidate you choose year after year after year after year. Make cute things. Create with love in your heart. Heal your soul.